Anthropic Lab released Claude Design. It can help you to create polished visual work like designs, prototypes, slides, on-pagers, and more. It's available for Claude Pro, Max, Team, Enterprise subscribers, and you can use Claude Design for realistic prototypes, product wireframes and mockups, design exploration for ideas, pitch decks and PowerPoint presentations. You can also use it to create landing page, social media assets, campaign visuals. As a frontier design, you can build code powered prototypes like voice, videos, shaders, 3D, and built-in AI. To explore it, you will have to go to .ai/design. This is the platform where you can start exploring Claude Design. Let me skip intro, and here you will see this type of interface. Okay, so at the beginning you will just create a new prototypes. So if you want to make prototypes or wireframe, high fidelity, and if you need to make slides decks, then you will have this option. So if you have already a template, then you can just from template you can choose this, and for others actually this. Okay, so I will start with prototype, and here I will just define a name. I will say IELTS speaking app. Okay, then I will choose high fidelity. So for visual templates, if you need wireframe, then you can choose the first one. Then I will simply click this create. You can see you will have a chat option. Here you will describe what you want to create. For example, I am just giving this type of prompt here, and it's very specific. You can see an interactive futuristic AI agent that can help anyone to get band 8 or above in their IELTS speaking test. My target audience are who wanted to go abroad for studies and work, focus on speaking test. Anyone can practice English IELTS speaking with the app and can get feedback from AI and also test themselves to understand their progress. Okay, it's very specific prompt. And after then, if you have UI, you can just attach file, you can add voice, import others information here. I will simply send it, and now based on your prompt, Claude asks you few questions about your IELTS speaking AI app, and here you will have several questions. You will have to answer all of these questions. For example, the first one is, which platform should I design for? Here you can go with mobile app for iOS. So if you want to build Android app, you can just go with the second option. For web app, the third options, and it's actually for responsive mobile fast and works everywhere. I'll choose these options. Then visual direction, here how you want to look your apps, you can choose dark mode with neon accent. This is actually cyber and scientific theme. You can go with glass morphism with soft gradient. I will choose this one. Okay, you can choose any of it, it's up to your choice. Then the third options here, which screen and flows are important, so pick all that applies. So we'll go to home with progress, live speaking screen. I will actually choose all of this stuff, so I need all. Okay, then let me choose the unselect this one. Then what should the AI agent feel? I will choose like a friendly tutor. Then here, what interaction do you most want to see working? I will choose voice input visualization, real-time transcription, topic and quick card flip animation, onboarding for new users, time countdown, post answer breakdown with animation. How detailed should AI feedback be? I will choose high level brand score with short tip, breakdown across 4 criteria, fluency. Then how many variations should you would like to go? I will choose modern and polished like a premium edutech app. So this is much better. You can choose any of these. So your audience and context should be a student, working professionals, or mixed both. I need mix both equally. Then which tracks should be useful? Theme will be dark theme, AI avatar style, and let me design for it. Okay, so here says, does the app have a name? So I will actually don't have the name right now. I will just skip it and let me continue. Okay, after then, look, it's actually thinking based on your question answers, and here it's just define some tasks to get it done. You can see it has almost 11 tasks Okay, and it's actually copying the starter, making aesthetics, type, colors, and writing your styles. Okay, it takes few minutes, so you will have to wait until this is complete. Okay, so the task is completed. Now let me check how it's actually presenting our app. Okay, so here you will have present, and I will open it in a new tab, so that you can understand it. This is your app, and here you can just continue with it or skip the intro. Let me continue. Here it's actually says speak freely, continue, and start speaking. Okay, so here you can see this is your dashboard. You can see describe a place just you love to revisit. Here you will have your progress. You can just directly practice quick part 1, time part 2, full mock-up test, vocabulary courses. Here you can just continue with your previous chapter. So this is your home part. Then if you click topics, then you will have several topics. Okay, you can just go with part 1, part 2, part 3 practice topics. Okay, then if you need to see your progress, you can go to these sections, and you can see this is actually right now your estimated band result, your fluency, vocabulary, grammar, pronunciations, and how many days you are stick with the sessions you are just enjoying. Here the milestone you covered. Then if you need to practice vocabulary, you can go to vocab, and here you can see it's actually the vocabulary practice sections. You can just play with the audio, and you can choose go to the next section and practice it. Okay, now we can see it's practice. You can just click here and just speak aloud, and then you can just submit it. Then it will analyze your answers, and within a few seconds you will get the feedback from by the AI. Okay, so look, it's actually preparing feedback for you. And let me click here, and you can see this is the correct, and this is actually the results how it's actually present you, and you can just try with it if you need again. Okay, so that way it will give you feedback, and overall practice session is here. You can choose any of it. Okay, I think this is much more better. You can just easily create this type of uh, prototype if you need. Okay, so I hope you understand how this is actually working for you. And here there are several options. If you need to change the UI, you can have twike options. If you just see, you will have several variations. If you want to dark theme, then this is your dark theme. Let me choose a wave, and let me choose this color. You can see it's actually changing. Okay, so if you just like a light mode, you can go with it, change the colors based on your need, and you will get overall customization. And I think you understand how it's actually work for you. Okay, so this is very elegant, and the most thing is that you can directly export it. You can directly export it as zip file. If you need as a PDF for actually sending someone through email, you can do that. If you need to present it on your pissed on your presentation, you can just export as pptx. If you need to send it canva, you can do that. You can export it as html file. And for example, if you want to build app, you can directly export it to Claude code and start building your applications. Okay, so I hope you understand how awesome this Claude design is, and it's can working amazing, and I love it. Actually, as I am a developer, I don't have time to design, and I don't have a designer actually to design every time for actually tutorial purpose. So that's why I think Claude design can help me on this section to make prototype. Okay, so I hope you understand the powers of plot code. I just tried first time, and if I just do some craft, then the UI will be much more better. If you need to edit it, you can directly edit here. Look, you can change directly the background, you can change the text from here. You will have these options. You can just say anything here. You can change customization based on your need. Okay, so you will have full control to work with it. Okay, based on your need. I hope you understand this, and please try it out and let me know how actually Claude performs